friends, good afternoon. How are you everyone? I hope you are all enjoying your, look, our Everest is there, your new year, guys. Yes, and as you can see, that one, I didn't take out yet our Christmas decorations, and hopefully this coming weekend Haley and we are going to take down all our Christmas decorations, as you can see here as well on the window, guys. Yeah, so today, guys, we are going to make some dessert or snack for my family. Yesterday I made like panettone version, but the thing is we finished all up, guys, last night. Yesterday afternoon, actually, not last night, but yesterday afternoon we shoved it, guys, in just one eating. So today, as I observed that my kids, they love the panettone, so this afternoon, actually it's 1 p.m. already, guys, so I started vlogging quite late. So what we are going to do today, guys, this afternoon, we are going to make cinnamon rolls for snacks. So when my kids come home later, we will have cinnamon roll to snack on. So that's what we are going to do today. And we are going also to need walnuts. I have 1 packet of walnuts in one of my bins, but I also have, guys, these walnuts, and we harvested this one, guys, and I posted how I harvested in my Facebook. Yeah. I didn't record that, guys, and uploaded here on YouTube, but yeah, I uploaded that in my reels on Facebook. And so today it is the time, guys, to use this up, guys. As you can see, they are so beautiful, and every now and then our Everest and Russell, once they come here in our kitchen, they get 1 or 2, guys, and they can crack it and they can take the nuts. Yeah, so our dogs are really good, huh? Okay, so because we need these walnuts in our cinnamon rolls, so I will show you how I'm going to crack this using the walnut cracker. And I'm going to show you also, guys, how I'm going to make these cinnamon rolls. Actually, these cinnamon rolls, I only use 1 recipe, guys, for this. I also use this recipe for making buns. I just added some or different kinds of ingredients, guys, but the base is just like the one that I always use, guys. So we need 3 cups, or I'm going to write it, guys, on the description. All right, guys, so this video is like a vlog, yeah. All right, guys, bear me with my lightning. So I have a cup in here, and this is the one, guys. I'm not sure if you can see properly. So this is the one that I use, guys, to crack the walnut. All right, so I just put the walnut inside like that and then crack it. Oh, so nice, guys. Look, so beautiful. But the thing is, I crushed it many times and I broke the nut. Wait. So good. So good, guys. Everest is eating. Maybe you can hear the sound of my background. Wow, very nice. So this is the type, sorry. So you can see, guys, the walnut that you can find or that you can buy at the store, like this. Yeah. No, Abby? I told you guys, Evie loves walnuts. Wait, I can give you. OMG, guys, very nice. It's whole. Can you see? But I give half to Evie and half mine. Ah, so nice. Look. So this is mine. I'm not sure, guys, if you can see this. Ayan. Wait, Ayan. And now it is time to prepare my lunch. I have these chicken bones simmering, guys, and now this is what I'm going to eat with this noodle. Yeah, as you can see that I took the soup and then I put the noodles and back to the walnuts. So this is the cup of walnut, and let's throw that to the fire. Yes, because you know what, guys, it is so hard, the shell of the walnut. And now our eggs are boiled and it is time to eat for lunch. Do you know what, guys? Soup is one of my favorites, especially in winter when it is so cold. Oh my goodness, I love to drink that soup, guys, that hot soup, and I add a little bit of chili and you know, I'm good to go. And every time I eat soup, I try to put eggs as well, and of course some meat from the chicken, and I also love to add these fried onions, and look at that. And I love kimchi, guys. I've been making kimchi for quite some time already. Every time we finish our kimchi, and then I make another one, because kimchi is really good for our gut, as you know that. Or if someone do not know that, yes, guys, kimchi is really good for our gut. And now I am enjoying my lunch, so let's eat, everyone. Alright, guys, I was about to measure, guys, my butter, but my husband took my food scale because he needed to school. That is why I don't have the weighing machine, and now I'm going to just eyeball this one. This butter was 1 kilo, and now this is the only left, guys. Alright, so our milk is warm enough, so we're going to put in to our bread machine. Alright, now let's put 1 sachet or 1 packet of yeast. While we are waiting the yeast to ferment, we are going to cut and warm it up, guys, the butter. And now it's time to add in our melted butter into the milk and our yeast. And now let's cover that again, and let's go back to our walnuts. And now it's time to chop, so that's what I am doing. I am chopping it, and then let's put it into the cup again. And then I have these dried apricots and dates from the previous holiday seasons, guys, and we are going to chop this one as well. And these are what we are going to put into our cinnamon rolls. And now it's time to add in our dried ingredients like the flour. So I am using wholemeal flour, 2 cups wholemeal flour and 1 cup all-purpose white flour, guys. And then after that I put the chopped dates and the chopped dried apricots. Maybe you observe that I changed the place because you know what, guys, the place was wobbly, so I put it on the top of our kitchen table, which is sturdy. Alright guys, my husband went to pick up our girls and now I will put the fillings, guys. I sliced another 2 pieces of this dried apricot and also 3 pieces of this date, guys. And alright, so I will show you guys how I'm going to make it. And look at our mixture, so nice, right? Let's put a little bit of flour just in case so it won't stick. And let's remove. Oh yeah, so it's quite big, huh? Scraper. Rolling pin. And now let's shape this dough into rectangular shape, guys. And now time to prepare our mixture or the filling, guys. So we have to rub a little bit of butter on top of our dough, and then let's wash hands first. And then let's add in a cinnamon and of course our the brown sugar, guys. And now it's time to add in our walnuts, dried apricots, and also our dates. And sometimes it's sticky, sometimes the dough is sticky, so we need to use the scraper. In cutting our cinnamon rolls, we are going to use a thread, guys. I like using the thread because it has a very clean cut, as you can tell. Unlike if you use the knife, if your knife is not that so sharp, the cut is not that so clean. That's why I prefer to use the thread, guys. Alright guys, so we will cover this with a clean towel and we'll let it rise or rest for 20 minutes. Okay guys, so 20 minutes is over and now we are going to put our cinnamon rolls into the oven. Hailey, can you please help me open the oven? Thank you. Alright, and we have to put the other one too. Open it. Thanks. All right, now we have to put to 180 degrees Celsius and let's bake it for 18 to 20 minutes. All right guys, so the time is over. Let's turn this off. Wow, so delicious. And now it's time to add frosting. So I am putting maybe 3 tablespoons of confectioner's, guys, sugar. And I'm not sure if 2 or 3, I don't remember. And then a little bit of milk. Just add your milk bit by bit because the sugar or powdered sugar can dissolve easily. Yes, and I don't like my cinnamon rolls, guys, to be that so sweet and full of sugars. That is why I am just putting so little. Now here is the outcome, guys. It is so delicious. My kids loved it. And now it is time for merienda. As you can see that Haley took her piece already. Yeah, and it is time to have a snack, guys.
Masarap. Que bom. Tá muito bom.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and hope to see you again very soon. So I am sitting here next to the fire. Yes, because it is so cozy in here. It's warm, and yeah, I love watching the fire, guys. Yes, so see you again very soon with a brand new video. So bye.